US crude has seen a very good drop and once again trading below the critical support at 78. So what to expect today? Can we expect it to rise or is it going to continue with the drop? Which position we should take? We'll see. Also for NG, that is natural gas, after opening a giving a gap down yesterday till and dropped till towards 2.64, it has shown a little reversal, achieved 2 close to 2.78, 2.8 levels, but now again at a critical support. So what to expect in these two? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out a profitable trade entry where you can take a trade as per the entries and you can be profitable. Do watch till the end. First we'll look into oil followed with natural gas. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the next analysis which will be released for crude oil before the US session exactly 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Now, look at the hourly chart for crude oil here. It is again trying to trade bearish. See, these are the classical moves for oil on the hourly charts. Drop, retracement, drop, then little retracement. In fact, it has breached higher highs. Now, see, this is the support which it is not trying to take, and see, after the retracement, it is now again trying to take it further down. Looking forward to 77.5 levels. Below that, 77, and below that, a further drop can be expected. Now, on the upside, you can clearly see the pivot levels and the resistance level are situated at around 78.3 levels. Beyond which, yes, little more bullishness might take it till towards 78.8, 79.4 levels. Look at the directional movement. This is bearish, stochastic looking down. The MACD is bearish and is trading at bottom. Probably it can converge a little later in the day. RSI looking down here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 4-hour chart. See, sharp drop, then it is trying to consolidate and trade within this channel. 77 levels are the next support levels, which are definitely very good support here. So 77 and 79, these $2 we have to remain cautious and alert. It is trying to trade in this channel here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is trading oversold. The MACD is also trading divergent and bearish. It must try to converge some point here and try to reverse from some point here. Look at the RSI. This is also looking down here on the 2-hour chart. And look at the 3-hour chart. See, previous two candles, you can see higher lows are seen. A little retracement is done. And now this is trying to break out. Now this must bring a little more bearishness. And we can expect it to at least hit 77.5, and then below that we may see it hitting in fact 77 levels, which are a very good support on the downside. Now if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish. The stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts also, now see this on the 4-hour charts, you can find this zone. So the complete move is done, because below 77, then again little more bearishness will be seen, which might take it. Now if you look at, see, it was trading in this bullish channel and now it has come out of this bullish channel. It is trying to trade bearish. So how far it can go? It can completely erase the gains here till 74. There is a possibility exist, and only if it trades till the time it trades above 74, we can we can expect a little bounce back. So I'll wait and watch how it behaves till towards 74 levels. Directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic has come to oversold levels. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is also looking down and have come towards bottom now. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, now interestingly on the daily charts, so this is still on the, you can say this is still not bearish as of now, because see the bottom of this trend line is still 77.5 levels, 77.4 levels, and in fact if it only if it breaches 77, then only I will confirm that it has reversed. So wait for 77 to be breached today in order to take a sell position. Once it trades below 77, you can remain short for 76 and in fact 75, and we can see a further drop. So be careful of 77 levels, below which only little bearishness can be confirmed. Directional movement here on the daily charts is crossing over for a sell entry. The stochastic has come to oversold levels. The MACD has crossed over here. See, the MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is trading bearish. This is the first red candle. This is an indication of a breakout. Possibly we can see couple of more red candles from here. RSI is looking down. Considering this, one can sell today at 77.4. Expect 77 levels as the first and strongest resistance, and below that one can remain short for 76.5, 76 levels, and then in fact 75.2, 74 are the next support levels. So yes, a good confirmation is below 77. However, you can initiate a sell entry at 77.4 itself. On the upside, 78.3 levels are something beyond which you can try to initiate a buy entry. However, chances are less that it is going to break past 80, and only if you see it trading above 80, you can confirm that it is trying to trade bullish. Till then, you have to remain cautious. It can reverse any point of time. Buy at 78.3, expect 78.8, 79.2, and then 79.5, 80 levels as the next resistance levels. Keep booking at each of these milestones and keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. Be cautious till towards 80 on the upside. Once and only if it breaks past 80, you can confirm that it is trying to trade bullish here. Take your trades accordingly. Sell at 77.4, buy at 78.3. Trade cautious in between 77 and 79, rather 80 levels. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch 19th, which is going to start on 6th of February. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts of natural gas. Now see, on the hourly charts, clearly it is getting support here at 2.67 and then 2.66. And yes, you can sell at 2.66, then you can expect 2.64, and below that a little drop can be expected. So only sell entry I will recommend is below 2.66 level. On the upside, 2.7 appears to be a good resistance, but let's see if you can buy there or not. Yes, it is trying to trade with this expanding triangle. This is little bullish indication here. Now look at the directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic retracing again. It is seen a little rise, now trying to look down. The MACD is in green, trading with very little divergence. RSI is trying to look down here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also likewise similar is the observation. So we need to wait for it to give a breakout. Possibly we may see a little rise later on. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is divergent and trading with slight bullish bias. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at 3 hour, now remember one point, a gap needs to be filled till towards 2.85, but there are many such gaps left in NG, and hence probable reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades above, that is a little far away level. However, if it trades above 2.8, that should be a little bullish confirmation for the day. Yes, you can remain long if you see it trading about 2.7 levels, beyond which 2.73 first target, 2.75 next, and then we can see it hitting 2.78 and 8 levels, 2.8 levels. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop, trading oversold. MACD trading with a little bullish bias. RSI trading flat near to bottom. And if you look at the daily 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts, and you can still see after this sharp losing streak, it has retraced a bit. Now given a gap here, trying to reverse. So in fact, even if it tries to rise, see now, even if it tries to rise, the good resistance there at 2.8, 2.9 levels to be seen, and beyond that only little confirmation, little rise confirmation can be seen. Also look at the 4-hour chart. See, the downside appears to be limited. It is not willing to break below 2.67, and hence only sell entry I will recommend is below 2.66 and a buy entry about 2.7 levels. For this 0.4 uh, for this $0.4, you should stay away from trading NG. Directional movement bearish here, stochastic looking down. The MACD is at bottom itself, trying to trade or show little green candles there. RSI is at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See yesterday's candle here, almost double bottom, and then since then traded with a rise. Today's candle, if it opens and if NG trades about 2.7, you can buy again 2.75, 2.78 and 2.8. In fact, we can see a little rise till towards 2.85 also. Directional movement, divergent and bearish, stochastic trading at bottom and oversold. MACD is trading with little divergence here and it is trading at a bottom level. It needs to accelerate the bullish momentum here. RSI is trading oversold. Considering this, buy at 2.7 and sell at 2.66. Above 2.7, you can expect 2.73, 2.76, 2.78 and then 2.8 levels. Once it trades above 2.8, the next target is 2.85 and then 2.9. Once it breaks past 2.9, then only consider this for a little rise. On the downside below 2.66, yes, you can sell. Expect 2.64 and below 2.64 only you can confirm that there is bearishness. Remember, below 2.64 only confirm that there is little bearishness and then we can see 2.6, 2.5 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.